Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about your notification problem on your Android device. Now, as you guys can tell, the notifications is really important in terms of giving you all this new information about the new messages, new emails, and more. If you can't get it, then you can be in big trouble. Well, you can solve this problem with an easy way. And the first things I want you guys just go ahead and take a look at is do not disturb mode. You should turn these features off. At the same time, make sure to turn off that silent mode, and also make sure to just turn on your volume all the way to high so that you can allow this notification to your Android to have it. Now right after that, if you're still saying you're having the same problem, let's go ahead and do some serious troubleshooting process. Now the first things I want you guys to do, just go ahead and take a look at is your settings. Now open it up, open up your notifications. Once you're here, you're going to see all of this application will be available right here. So first up, make sure all those applications are turned on, okay? At the same time, let's say you are not getting notification from your Facebook. You can tap it on, then you have to make sure that all of this options are on, like these icon badges and everything, like your accounts, comment tags, anything that you're actually seeing right here all should be turned on. And right afterward, simply go ahead and check whether you're being able to get the notification on your Android device or not. Alright, now after the first process, if you're still having the same problem, the next things I want you guys to take a look at is your battery saver options. Now, if you turn this on, you can have this problem. Now simply go ahead and turn these features off, and afterward you're going to get the notification right after that. Now let's say you've done that well, but still you are having a problem with your notification. Now at this point of time, if you're having problem with your notification, that means you currently have problem with your internet, okay? Because if your internet has problem, then you're not going to get any notifications. So at this point of time, the first work you just want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and just swipe down from the top, and then simply go ahead and turn on the flight mode and wait around 10 seconds, and then just go ahead and turn it off, and then check whether your network related issue is solved or not. Now if not, the last things that I want you guys to take a look at is just giving a reset all settings on your Android to solve your problem. Now of course, if you want to do it, you have to open up your settings, then scroll down to your general management, and then tap reset, and then you're going to see this option called reset all settings or reset settings. Go ahead and tap on there. Now it is going to reset all of those customized settings that you have changed so far. Just go ahead and tap reset settings, enter your PIN, tap reset settings. Now it is going to restart your device, okay, all over again. Now after doing that, you have to connect your Android to the internet, and then you have to check whether your problem is solved or not. Now we can definitely tell you that after doing all of the process, your problem will be solved, and you'll be able to use, or you'll be able to receive the notification from your Android device. Hope this video is really useful for you guys. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to get more futuristic video for your Android device. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll talk to you all later.